Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start in Chrome with the browser open and signed in so app data syncs. First, look for the app's icon near bookmarks or type Chrome//apps to jump there. This shows installed progressive web apps and Chrome apps. Once done, make sure to check the three-dot menu under More Tools because some apps appear as extensions. You're taking the quickest path to the app list so you can manage, open, or remove items immediately. Now you'll find and run the app you need. Scan the app's grid and right-click any icon to open, create a desktop shortcut, or remove it. Right-click gives control. Alternatively, type the app's name into the Omnibox for a fast launch. This is faster than hunting icons. Once done, visit Chrome//extensions to re-enable disabled apps or view permissions so you understand why an app needs access. These steps let you quickly manage and start apps with confidence. Finish by pinning frequently used apps to the shelf or creating bookmarks for one-click access. This saves time. If an app is missing or behaving badly, reinstall the progressive web app from its website to restore a clean copy. Make sure to clear site data or reset Chrome settings if apps still won't open, and restart the browser to apply changes. If problems persist, check Chrome//extensions for conflicts and disable suspected extensions before trying.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.